like that? How you gonna disrespect me like that?
I just want some ice cream.
You just came from the gym. Sorry for what? What I tell you, man? What I tell you? Let me eat ice cream. Just drink. Get down. Give me some.